Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn cryptocurrency rewards through Coinbase, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your earnings on the platform. Step 1. Create a Coinbase account at coinbase.com if you don't have one. Provide your email, create a strong password, and complete identity verification. Step 2. Explore Coinbase. Earn by clicking on Rewards or Learn and Earn in the main menu to view available educational courses that pay crypto. Step 3. Watch short educational videos about different cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Each video typically lasts 1 to 2 minutes and covers specific topics. Step 4. Complete the quizzes after each video to test your knowledge. Pass the quiz to earn free cryptocurrency tokens directly to your Coinbase wallet. Step 5. Use the Coinbase card for purchases to earn up to 4% crypto cashback on every transaction. Apply for the card through your account dashboard. Step 6. Stake supported cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Cosmos directly through Coinbase to earn staking rewards while helping secure blockchain networks. Step 7. Refer friends to Coinbase using your unique referral link. Both you and your friend earn bonus cryptocurrency when they sign up and trade. Step 8. Check back regularly for new Coinbase earn opportunities as the platform frequently adds new courses and cryptocurrencies to their rewards program. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.